How to auto-number cells in Excel. Excel has a number of tools and shortcuts that can be used to automate repetitive tasks. Tasks that span large numbers of rows and columns become very difficult to manage when I have to manually type in values. And also, if I am typing in a series of numbers, the possibility of error is very high. So here we will see how to auto-number cells using the tools that Excel has given. In this case, I want to auto number these set of names that I have in this column. So the first way is to use the fill handle. I first establish the sequence by typing the first two numbers, select them, then use the fill handle to drag down. As you can see, the number increments while I'm dragging the fill handle down, and I release it when I reach the end of the column. This is the first way of doing it. The second way is to use the fill tool. I'll just delete this. I'm going to establish again the start of the sequence, select the column. Under home, under fill, I choose the series option. And since I've selected the column, it mentions it as column linear. Step value I want is 1. Stop value I don't have to give because I've selected the column completely. I'll say OK. And here I have the numbers. Now the third way of doing this is to use the row function. So I type equals row. Now I have to give a cell reference. The row function returns the row number of the cell reference. In this case, I want a 1 to be displayed. So I will select the first row and close brackets. Now I can just copy this down to the rest of the cells and I have numbers automatically displayed. Now the final way to create or auto number the cells is to create a sequence using the sequence function. So I type sequence. Now if you can see, this returns a matrix where I can specify the number of rows, the number of columns, the start value and the step, that is the increment. In this case I want 10 rows. It's not a matrix, it's just one set of numbers, so I'll just say I want only one column. I want it to start at 1 and I want it to increment by 1 as well. Then I close the brackets and press enter, and this has numbered all the names. So these are many ways in which you can auto number cells in Excel. Depending on the data you have and your business requirement, you can choose any one of these methods. Please read the appended article for more information.